Hi, welcome back. This time we're going to start into the quadratic formula. We're going to focus first on the discriminant, which is the part of the quadratic equation that is b squared minus 4ac. It's the part that's under the square root sign, under the radical. So in the case of what we've got here, minus x squared plus 4x minus 6 equals negative 6. First, we need to make sure we put it in standard form. Standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Since this is not equal to 0, we're going to make it equal to 0 by adding 6 to both sides. And then we would get negative x squared plus 4x. And these cancel each other. Negative 6 plus 6, but I'm actually going to write this plus 0 just so that I remember. And then this is over here, negative 6 plus 6 is also 0. So I'm going to write that this is plus 0 because then I can write that a equals negative 1, b equals 4, c equals 0. And when I plug that into my b squared minus 4ac, I get 4 squared minus 4 times a, which is negative 1, times c, which is 0. Now, the 0 in this multiplication cancels this whole multiplication set there. And it leaves us with 4 squared, which is 16. And so that is the value of our discriminant. It is not the solutions. But since it's positive, we're going to have two solutions, and they will be two real solutions. That's the type of solutions, two real solutions. So let's look at number 10. See that same thing here. I'm going to subtract 6, and that would give me negative 10x squared minus 6x minus 8 equals 0. And then I make note that a equals negative 10, b equals negative 6, c equals negative 8. And the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, and b is negative 6 squared minus 4 times a, which is negative 10, times c, which is negative 8. And negative 6 squared is 36. And I have a negative, a negative, a negative, 3 negatives. So the answer there is going to be negative. 4 times 10 times 8 would be, 320. And so 36 minus 320 is negative 284. And that's the value of our discriminant. So since it's negative, we don't have any real solutions, 0 real solutions. We still have 2 solutions, but they would be non-real solutions, or you could also write that they're imaginary. They're going to have that imaginary unit I in them, which may not be pure imaginary, they may be complex, but you get the idea. They're gonna have that imaginary unit I in them. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.